What's up, everybody? Welcome to another tutorial on Swell Enterprise. Today we're going to dig into creating and managing your leads. So the difference between a lead and a client or a contact is a lead is potentially somebody that you plan to do business with but may not already be one of your clients or customers. So to get started, we're going to click on the three dots in the upper navigation here. And if you've already shortlisted this on your sidebar, you can navigate to it from there. Otherwise, under the People section, go ahead and click on View Leads. And before we get into creating a new lead, we're going to break this screen down a little bit. So what this does is this displays your leads in a table format. This does support inline editing, so I can simply just double click to add information to any one of these leads. I can also change this view from list style to Kanban format. And when I do that, I have the ability to drag and drop it between my different stages, my different lead stages. So you've got the option here to really customize your sales pipeline so that you can keep track of your leads and where they're at in your sales process. And then in order to view a lead, you just click on the square with the arrow running through it here. And that will open up a new panel for you to view this lead's information, where you can add more detailed information such as notes or track time or create estimates, proposals. It just kind of gives you an organized view of this lead and everything attached to it. So in order to create a lead, we'll back up a step. You just simply click on the Add Lead button here, or if you're importing for the first time, you can click on the drop down and use the Import Export option here to import your leads from an Excel file or a CSV spreadsheet. We're going to go ahead and click on Add Lead. And the only information that's really required here is an email address and then who you're assigning it to or your status. So we can go ahead and fill out all this information here. You can even create tags. So this could be anything like dates or industry. You'll see we've created some here and we can attach multiple. If you've got a business card, you can actually upload the business card to this field here, and the system will try to automatically match the fields that it finds from the business card for you. So just a quick way to quickly create your leads. And then you have this option here where you can automatically create a folder for them in your file manager. This just helps you keep things organized. So again, let's assume I'd filled all this information out. I'd go and I'd attach the status and what person on my team is this lead assigned to. And then we've got a custom field here that we've created. Now this is just specific to our business. You probably won't see this field in your setup, but if you needed to create custom fields, you can do that very easily by clicking on the System tab and going to New Custom Field. And then you can just set up what kind of field and what it's going to be attached to. So you can see we've done that already for sign up date. And then once you're done, just hit save, and you should see your newly created lead in the table or the Kanban format here. And again, if you'd like, you can go ahead and just click on any of the columns to quickly add a note or tasks or to start working with that lead. Now, what's really cool about this is when you're done, and let's say you win this lead, you can click on these three dots next to each of these boxes. They have additional options for you. So if I click on this, I can easily convert this lead to a client and save all of their information. I can also email or call them from this screen. Now I don't have call enabled on this account, but if I did, you'd see a call option here. So again, I can easily convert this to a client or contact and preserve all their information, which is a really cool feature in Swell because then you don't really miss out on anything through that sales process and through the lifetime of that customer. Once you're done, again, you have all this information available to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us in the chat panel at the bottom of the right-hand corner, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.